Here's what to do if your sewing machine is going too fast. My name is Vitana. I'm a sewing teacher and costume maker. Bookmark this so you can come back to it later. So the first thing to check is if there is a speed control on the foot pedal. This one doesn't have one, so here's what to do. The foot pedal is very much like the accelerator in a car. If you press it all the way down, then it will go really fast. So you only want to press it this way around so that you've got more control with your foot. If you have it this way around and you try and press it, you've got no control. It will just be either fast or not. Another tip is to do it barefoot. You've got much more control. And lastly, reduce the stitch length to somewhere between 2 and 2.5. The smaller stitch will make the machine slower. And remember, when you feel like the machine is going too fast, then just take your foot off the pedal and the machine stops. Hope that helps. Like and follow for more tips like this.